Today we'll see all about how we can make color, how we can use colors, and how we can make color palettes as well, right? So if you want to fill color, all right, just make any shape from here. Like I will just make this shape. So if you want to fill any color, you can fill from this color palette, all right, CMYK spectrum we are using, all right. If you click anywhere, so it will just fill that color in your shape, easy, right? If you go to the swatches, and here we have color swatches, you can also fill from here, like any swatch. When you click, you can just fill that color. And also if you hover over the mouse on a color on a swatch, it will show you also the percentage of color in this, like CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. All right, so same here. If you double click on this swatch, so it will show you the swatch option as well. We have here swatch name. You can also change it if you want, and here it's showing you the percentage, like cyan is 85%, magenta, yellow and black. All right, so it's showing you the percentage of this swatch. I will click OK. I don't want to change it. And same here, you can choose any of them. If you want to see, double click on that and you will see the percentage of colors in that swatch. You can also change it like this. All right, if you want to change, you can make another color. Now you are making this color, right, like this. If you click on preview, so it will live update whatever you are doing here, so it will update live. And just see one thing, when you are doing changes over here in swatches, look at here in toolbox and look at here in property bar. The color is live changing in both location. It means you can change from here as well, and you can change from here as well that color. So if you click OK, and you can share this percentage of colors with your friends as well, or your client as well, if you want to share this percentage. If you click OK, all right, then it will be changed and it will be updated also. All right, easy. We have also groups of colors swatches. So here you can choose also grays we have, and we have CMYK like this. You can choose also these swatches. We have a lot of built-in swatches of colors as well. If you click on this swatch library menu, and here you have a lot of swatches, presets. You can use them, all right, for your any design. For example, if you are designing for the food for the restaurant, just go here food. We have here beverages, we have fruit, ice cream, sweets. Just click on vegetables, so it will give you all the color combination you can use for your vegetable designs. If you want to add these groups into swatches, the simple click and just drag over here, so that will be added in your swatches panel. Same. If you want to use many of them, right, what you need to do, just make one box here like this. So choose any of color like this. I will choose this color, all right, and alt and drag copy. Then you can choose this color, alt and drag copy, like minimum 3 and maximum 4 color, 5 color you can use in your design, all right. And next you have this one. For example, I'm choosing high contrast color, which are different like this. So maximum 5 color and minimum 3 color you can use in your design, all right. So what I need to do, if you want to create your color group from this 5 color, you can create easily. If you want to save any color into swatch, just click here and go to swatches panel, all right, and here you have one sign which is plus sign, and it's called new swatch. If you click here, it will show you the percentage of color in this color, all right, and just click OK, so that swatch will be saved for you. Here I would like to tell you about also the global swatch and normal swatch. For example, if you select this one, and here you have this plus sign, all right. Now here you are you can write here your name also, right? My red color, all right, like this, or any name you can give. And here we have one check, global check, right? Global means whenever you will change in this swatch, so changes will appear on all over the design where you have used this swatch. For example, I will click OK, and when you see this tiny triangle along with your swatch icon, means it's a global swatch. For example, if you will make a shapes like this, and like this, now you have used this swatch here, here and here, same. So if you will change the color of this global swatch, double click here and just change color and just click OK. You will see wherever you have used this swatch, global swatch, then changes will appear. So it's very like useful if you are using the same color theme and you want to change at once, then you can choose global swatch. Right, so I want to save this one also. So click on this plus icon, and this time I will not save as a global, just click OK. Now you will see, you will not see any tiny triangle here at the corner. Okay, if you want to save all colors at once as a color group, so you need to select all colors and then click here the color group, new color group. All right, click here, so it will ask you the color name and just click OK. Now you will see here you have just saved your color group. That's how you can create your own color palette to be used in your future design. Whatever swatch has this tiny triangle at the end means it's a global swatch. All right, you can use. That's how here a lot of, just I will suggest you go and explore. We have a lot of like patterns. We have, when we'll study, we have metal. Go to metal and here you can use for the gold, for metal. A lot of color inspiration you can take from here. Just click here and you can just add to swatches and you can use. Okay. If you are changing color from here, color panel, same. Next we have color guide panel also. When you click here, color guide, and here you will see we have the shade of the colors and the tints of the colors. All right, what are shade and what are tints? Shades mean when you add black color to any color, it's mean shade of the color. All right, so when you add white color to any color, it says tint of that color. All right, the any color is a, what is hue? Hue is a pure form of the color. All right, like any color on the color wheel, when you select, that will be hue. And shades will be when you add white color to that, add black color to that color, or if you will add white color to pure color, it will make it tints. And in between we have tone. Tone mean if you add gray color in your color. So we have black, gray and white. So when you will add black, it will make shades. When you add gray, it will make tone. And when you add white, it will make tints. Many time client may ask you, just use shades of the, just use tone of this color. Just we want tints of this color. So you should to know what are shades, tints and tone. And you can also use from here. All right. Okay. So from here you can just create. And if you click on this color, all right, and color guide, okay, double click on this icon. Okay, you will see for further more option. Right, in color, and just click here, right, and you will see here, okay, we have also option here. So you can just flip also from outline to fill color. Okay, and we have one more option I just want to see. Right, okay, you can here just go to here in property bar and just it asking you hold shift key to bring up alternative UI. So shift key and click, so it will show you more option related to this color which you have created. All right, I will select this color for example, then I will click shift here. All right, then you can see the cyan, magenta, yellow and black, and you can just change more properties. Just you can play with this to change more colors in this shape. All right, so that's how you can use color panel, color guide panel and swatches panel in Adobe Illustrator. If you are a new and you don't know what colors to be used in which design, so you need to study the color wheel. All right, so we have very best two websites I will just recommend to you. All right, so you can use just this websites. First we have, for example, this one. So first website I will recommend, which is called Adobe color.adobe.com. This is the best website for mixing and matching colors. All right, just go and look this website. Here this is called color wheel, and we have a lot of colors in this color wheel. All designers use this color wheel to create, to mix and match colors. Here they have divided into different categories like analogous colors we have, like colors which are side by side to each other, and we have monochromatic color. All right, then we have triad color. We have monochromatic will be the shade of one color. Then triad, you have like 3 colors on different direction on the color wheel. Then you have complementary. If you want high contrast, then you can use complementary color. Complementary colors are opposite on color wheel to each other. You can move like this if you want to move. All right, and you can use also split complementary. These colors you can also use for your designs. And you have double split complementary, and you can just play with them here. You can play here as well, right? And you can go square as well, and here we have compound. All right, so what color you like, just you can copy that code. Just select this one and right click and copy that code. Then come to Illustrator, all right, and just select that shape. Then double click here in color picker and just fill that color over here and click OK. So that color will be added to this shape. Now you want to save here, just click here, all right, and new swatch and give it name and just click OK. So it will be saved in your swatches panel. All right, next website we have which is called this one is mostly we use for CMYK. All right, we use for and there are 2 color wheel actually. We use this one RYB, like red, yellow and blue. All right, so you can use this one also. And next we have also one more website which is called Canva colors, all right, and color wheel. So you can type this address in your address bar and you will be here. So it will explain all about the color wheel, but this color wheel is RGB, mostly for screen purpose. If you are working in digital media, then you can use this color combination here. All right, same here, you have pick color, you can choose any color, it will give you the code of that color. Here we have categories, complementary, opposite colors, we have monochromatic color. Then you can go also analogous colors, and here you have triadic and tetradic as well. So from here you can choose any of colors, so it will give you the color palette for you, and you can just copy that code, copy it, and you can use in your Illustrator. All right, the best thing I like, it will change look as you are changing, it will give you a live preview, which I like a lot, and you can see how your website will look like, because this color wheel is for RGB for digital purpose. All right, next, very important, the link they have same, and I would suggest you to go and study this one. This is like Canva colors and colors meaning. Every colors has a meaning. All right, don't use like colors whatever. So you have to choose the right color for the right purpose. Okay, for example, every color has a name and every color has a meaning. For example, I like this midnight blue a lot. Just click here, so it will tell you all about this color. What color is midnight blue, the history of it, and what does midnight blue represent. All right, midnight blue represent project, sophistication and elegance, right? So that's why you have seen many companies, they are using blue color for trust, for sophistication, elegance. So mostly used, so it's a safe color, and here it will show you color combination will goes well with this. So I would suggest you to go and study each and every color meaning from here and use accordingly. All right, because you have to tell your client also, if you want to be a good graphic designer, so you have to explain why you did it and how you did it, why you made it and how you made it. Both you have to explain in your design brief. All right, so if you know the colors meanings, you can it will be easy for you to make a design brief. I used yellow color because it's represent happiness, enjoy. All right, here it will show you yellow color. That's why when and also it's a pop-up color. All right, so you can use this color as well. And here you have more combination, complementary we have, and triad we have. So it's amazing. So just go and explore all these websites. Okay, it's very important to be a good graphic designer. You should have commands on colors. All right, and just understand, study this color wheel, and you can use this two websites. They are amazing. So this color Adobe, they are using RYB color wheel, all right, which all designers are using. Canva, this is using RGB, red, green and blue color wheel, which is for digital media. All right, both I recommend you. And last, you have to remember this color meanings, because nobody, like I think only 5 to 10% maybe people knows about color meanings. So it's very good website. So we'll come back to our project. Okay, so that's how you can just fill colors from here. All right, and also if you want to share some codes of the color, for example, you are creating some color from here, from color picker. I will just close this one, I don't need it, cancel, and this cancel, right? So I will delete this one also. All right, for example, this color palette we have already saved here, so you can use later. So if you are making any color here, so if you want to share the code of this color to your friend, here is the code of this color. And here it will show you the percentage of each and every property. H mean hue, we have saturation, brightness, red, green and blue. So it will work for both screen and print media. So if you are going for print, it will also show you we have 5% cyan, 40%, 100% yellow, and K is a 0% in this. So being a graphic designer, you should also remember all these properties, because when you will send to the printer, they will check this one, how much is cyan, magenta, yellow and black color. If you want to extract color from the picture, we can also extract. All right, for example, if you go to this website in colors and adobecolors.com, and here you have like trends, and here you will see they are extracting colors from the pictures. For example, look, as I told you, maximum you use 5 colors, all right, minimum 3 colors. Look at the colors, okay, and very amazing. And these colors have been extracted from this as a fashion. We can use this one. So you can copy this code one by one, copy, and the same process you can repeat in Illustrator. All right, but if in Illustrator, if you want to extract colors from the picture, how we can do that? It's very easy. Just you will go to file and just place the image which you like. All right, for example, I will go to and okay, I will take this one. All right, it's a very colorful picture. All right, so just place this picture, then you will go to embed it first of all, then go to object, and here is one option we have which is called create object mosaic. Click here and click OK. The whole picture will be converted into colors. All right, now there are two ways. Either if you want to save the whole color, you can delete the picture now. If you want to save the whole colors, all right, just ungroup first of all. Okay, just select all colors and just click on this new color group and give its name like my picture color, all right, like this, and click OK. Look, all the colors will be saved as a group here. Then you can use anywhere you want. That's how if your client is using logo, they have sent you picture. All right, so try to use colors from their brand, okay, their logo. So it will solve a lot of problem. All right, as I told you, you can choose, for example, 5 colors from them. For example, from here you can group, you can use your own group like this as well. Okay, you have search like this, then click all and click on the group, and here you can give name, and that colors will be saved here. All right, so that's all about the colors, how you will make colors in Adobe Illustrator and how you can get inspiration as well.